Good morning, all of you. Today I will teach you types of research. There are various types of research, but today I will teach you some important types of research which are usually asked in UGC NET examination. So the first type of research is fundamental research. Fundamental research is also called pure or basic research, right? So this type of research is usually asked in UGC NET exam. So many times this question came in the examination. Fundamental research is called what? And one option was basic research. So you must know that fundamental research is also called pure or basic research. This type of research focuses on discovering the new thing to enrich the human knowledge. It helps in developing theories by discovering broad generalization and principles. This type of research is organized through different procedures like sampling, hypothesizing, facts, etc. So, universal truth and universal law come inside fundamental research. जो भी यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट्स होते हैं, यूनिवर्सल लॉज होते हैं, वो फंडामेंटल रिसोर्स के अंदर आते हैं. जैसे द स्टेटमेंट द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट और मैन इज मोर्टल. सो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स are universal truth. So such types of statement come under fundamental research, right? अब क्या है कि fundamental research is formulation of theories and principles. So it takes shapes into two different ways, right? First is discovery of new theory and second is development of the existing theory. So first is it is a discovery of new theory because fundamental research is completely based on new discovery, the knowledge or theory which has not existed so far. Example, Newton's theory of gravitation is the first research, is the first theory in the field of research. न्यूटन्स का जो थियरी ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन था वो क्या था कि फर्स्ट थियरी था इन द फील्ड ऑफ रिसर्च. सो वो फंडामेंटल रिसर्च के अंदर में आता है. सेकेंड, इट इज अ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग थियरी बिकॉज theory is always based on assumptions and therefore there is scope of formulating new set of assumptions or adding new perspectives to the existing theory. So here there is possibilities of reinterpretation or re-illustration that has already been developed. Understand? So first type of research, fundamental research, is clear. Now the second type of research is applied research. तो जैसा कि आपको वर्ड से लग रहा होगा अप्लाई, यानी किसी भी चीज़ को अप्लाई करना. ठीक है, जब भी किसी चीज़ को आपको समझना हो उसको वर्ड के मीनिंग से समझिए. सो अप्लाइड रिसर्च refers to scientific study and seek practical solution of a problem. Fundamental research sets principles and applied research utilizes those principles to know the new types of facts, right? तो क्या है, फंडामेंटल रिसर्च जो है वो क्या करता है कि जो थियरी है, जो प्रिंसिपल्स है उसको फॉर्मुलेट करता है, राइट? और अप्लाइड रिसर्च जो क्या है कि इट यूटिलाइजेस दोज थियरीज एंड प्रिंसिपल्स. समझ में आ रही है? So you understand this way. So applied research often takes the form of a field investigation and also aims at collecting the basic data for verifying the applicability of existing theories and models in given situation. अंडरस्टैंड? क्या फंडामेंटल रिसर्च जो है वो थियरी को फॉर्मुलेट करता है, प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉर्मुलेट करता है, और अप्लाइड रिसर्च क्या करता है, इट यूटिलाइजेस दोज थियरीज एंड प्रिंसिपल्स ना विद द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर. Now the third type of research which I deal here is action research. This is also very important from your examination point of view. So action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. It is used to solve the instant problems, especially in education. Action research also aims at collecting information from other sources that have direct or indirect bearing on the research program. Action research includes the methods which are usually used for personal interviews methods and survey methods. Understand? Now this type of research is cleared. Now the fourth type of research, which is also very important, is historical research. So what is historical research? Historical research is that type of research which utilizes historical sources like documents, remains, etc., which help to study events or ideas of the past, including the philosophy of persons and groups at any point of time. So historical research is done to understand an event from the past. अब historical research क्या है कि historical research में जो historical sources है उसका यूज़ करके रिसर्च किया जाता है टू अंडरस्टैंड एन इवेंट फ्रॉम द पास्ट. किसी भी जो पास्ट की घटना है उसको समझने के लिए, उस पर रिसर्च करने के लिए जो हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, रिमेन्स होते हैं, उसका यूटिलाइज किया जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे कि आपको नाम से पता है हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू हिस्टोरिकल. सो नाउ द फिफ्थ टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च विच आई डील हियर इज एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च. आपको वर्ड से पता लग रहा होगा एथनोग्राफिक. इफ यू नो द वर्ड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, व्हाट इज एंथ्रोपोलॉजी? दैट इज रिलेटेड टू एथनोग्राफी. सो एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च इज अ टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च which involves the systematic study of people in their natural environment to understand their way of life in their natural environment, right? So including how they see and interact with the world around them. It aims at the study of culture of human race or human living livelihood. For example, नोमैड्स की लाइफ को ऑब्जर्व करके उसके लाइवलीहुड के बारे में रिसर्च करना, दैट इज़ द गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च. सो रिसर्चर्स हु कंडक्ट एन एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च spend a lot of time to gain insights into the social instructions and collect data through participant observation, face-to-face interviews, etc. So ethnographic research has its root in anthropology, the study of human societies and culture. So social scientists use this type of research methodology in the field of healthcare, education, cultural study, etc. So ethnographic research overall क्या है कि यह रिसर्च करता है क्या, ह्यूमन लाइफ के बारे में, ह्यूमन लाइवलीहुड, ह्यूमन सोसाइटीज़ के को स्टडी करता है. दैट्स ऑल. सो टुडे आई डील द 5 टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च: फंडामेंटल रिसर्च, अप्लाइड रिसर्च, एक्शन रिसर्च, हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च एंड एथनोग्राफिक रिसर्च. सो in the next class I will deal the rest of the parts which are important for your examination point of view. Thanks for today.